Hi guys, once again a warm welcome to Digital India Portal YouTube channel. Those who didn't subscribe our channel Digital India Portal, kindly click the subscribe button and also press the bell symbol to get instant updates directly and you will get notifications regularly. So today we will see one important information related to CSE Digital Seva Portal. The most and much awaited service has been live on CSE Digital Seva Portal. So all VLEs, those who are qualified can able to register for this service. It's really an important service. So what is this? Aadhaar Demographic Update Service. That is Aadhaar services has again come in CSE Digital Seva Portal. For that, the registration for you providing Aadhaar Demographic Update Service UCL client is live now through CSE Digital Seva Portal. So those who VLAs must register for this service immediately without any delay. So we will see what are the requirements, what are the documents required for registering this Aadhaar demographic update and what is the website. We will see in this video. So watch this video till the end to get complete information. So CSE Aadhaar demographic update. So this is the official web page eseva.csecloud.in/ucl/. This is the demographic update through update client lite registration for Digital Seva Portal. So the residents who have got enrolled with Aadhaar enrollment process may have some information to be corrected, either demographic or biometric demographic details likes. So you can able to register through this website. All VLAs, those who have BC point and eligible VLAs can able to register immediately with this link. The link will also available in the video description. So just click Digital Seva Connect option is available. While clicking Digital Seva Connect, you will need to log in with your 12-digit CSE ID and password. After that, the page like this will open. So this is the official registration page for demographic update services which are going to be provided by CSE VLAs. So your name, VLE bank BC code, name of bank issuing VLE BC code, that is BC code is mandatory, other banking correspondent code is mandatory. So which state your CSE is located and district, pin code, your CSE center complete address, VLE mobile number, your mobile number and email ID is mandatory, and very much important is the Aadhaar NSET operator or supervisor certificate. This certificate is mandatory for providing UCL services. You need to upload the certificate in JPEG or PDF format. Also, police verification copy, operator or supervisor police verification copy is mandatory and it is not more than 3 months old. It also required operator or supervisor e-Aadhaar, your e-Aadhaar file also need to be uploaded. So mobile number linked with Aadhaar. So supervisor or operator's email ID, laptop as per email ID, laptop as per UID specifications. If you have laptop as per UID specifications, means just click yes. So UID specification is provided in this link. Also, if you have printer available now, choose yes. Single fingerprint scan, biometric device, fingerprint scanner device is needed for this purpose, and also iris scanner device are particularly needed for providing Aadhaar demographic update service through UCL client, and monitor and GPS device available. So these are the mandatory requirements before applying to this Aadhaar demographic update service. CSE center photos, your center inside and outside photo must, internet availability, whether it is a broadband or dongle, CCTV camera availability, these are not mandatorily required, but if it is available means choose yes. So token system machine is available. There are a lot of details they are. So after filling this form and accept the declaration, that is above declaration is correct up to my knowledge, and click submit button. So you will get a response as soon as possible once submitting this. So these are the requirements for this Aadhaar demographic service. So these are the mandatory requirements that is we saw in previous page. So must you need these kind of informations, mandatory requirements. The link for registering is eseva.csecloud.in/ucl. So this is a much awaited service. After a period of 2 years, now CSE has provided this opportunity to VLEs for providing Aadhaar demographic update services. And one kind information, VLE bank BC code, banking correspondent code, and name of bank issuing banking correspondent code is mandatory for registering this service. So this is the information from CSE E-Governance Service India Limited. So those who VLAs want to register, kindly register immediately to our demographic update service, which is going to be live. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, post your comments under this video's description. It will be answered as soon as possible. And one kind information, hereafter you will get regular service updates through Digital Seva Portal in Digital India Portal YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and also share this news to reach us most as possible, because it is a valuable information for all CSE VLAs. Thanks for watching. Thank you all CSE VLAs.